Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to file a case on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap My eBay at the bottom side of the screen and then enter purchases. So as you can see, I don't have any purchases, but I hope you can manage filing a case on eBay if you will listen to my instructions. Then you need to find the order you have problem with and just simply tap on it to view the details. Then you need to tap on the item page. You need to tap the button Help with Item to start the process. And then eBay will give you a list of common problems. Tap on the one that matches your situation. For example, there can be common problems such as I didn't receive my item, or for example, item doesn't match the description. Whatever, depending on your situation, you need to select the problem you have and then tap Request a Refund, or for example it could be named this button as Report a Problem. And also you can add, I forgot to mention that you can also add a message and upload photos if necessary to provide an evidence to the seller that you actually have problems with your item. And then after completing these steps, you need to tap Submit button to open the case. And after that process, you need to wait for response from the seller. Usually the seller responds to your case within a few days, and also eBay will notify you through your messages section. So let me show you. This is these notifications section at the bottom side of your screen, and here you see the filter buying, and you should see some notifications from your seller regarding your problem. But if there's a case where the seller doesn't reply or you cannot resolve the issue, you need to scroll down in the case screen and tap the button Ask eBay to step in and help. So I hope you can file a case on eBay easily. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.